Will there be a buyer's market in 2021 or 2022? That's exactly what we're going to discuss today, and it starts right now. I'm Dale Mancini.
And I'm Marilyn Dale.
And we're your property couple, real estate agents in Pittsburgh and the north suburbs from Shaler to Zelienople and everywhere in between.
So, will there be a buyer's market in 2021? Probably not. However, there is some good news. The economy is rebounding as we defeat COVID and optimism is rising. But even if everyone who planned to sell in 2020 and 2021 listed their homes right now, supply and demand would not favor buyers. It's probably unrealistic to expect home buying to get cheaper in the near future. But prices should increase at a slower rate, and with interest rates historically low, this is a win-win situation for buyers and sellers. Also, as incomes rise and people get fully back to work, homes should become more affordable because affordability is not just a function of price, it's also related to income.
Reports from the U.S. Department of Labor are encouraging 913,000 jobs were added back to the U.S. economy early spring, and the unemployment rate fell from 6.2% to 6%. However, we must add another 8.4 million jobs before reaching pre-COVID employment by January of 2022, which is actually in only 6 months. Something to look forward to, whether we're buying or selling or staying put.
In addition to buying power should rise as people get back to work and businesses return to making money. So there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Mortgage rates are the lowest they've been in a lifetime. So while you may be paying slightly more for a home in 2021, it balances out due to the low interest rates.
However, low mortgage rates won't last forever. For one thing, mortgage rates are widely expected to be higher next year than they are right now. One forecast predicted that the average rate for a 30-year fixed home loan could climb to 3.6% by the end of 2021. That's quite a bit higher than where we were in late March, with rates averaging around 3%. As you can see from this chart, rates dropped steadily through most of 2020. All over on the right, you'll see that there is an all-time record low of 2.65% that occurred in early January of 2021. That was the lowest average in more than 50 years of record keeping. It's possible we may never see rates that low again in our lifetime. So 2021 is a great year to buy. As we mentioned, the increase in home prices are balanced by the lower interest rates.
The best advice is to know what is coming and to plan accordingly. So, where do we expect to be in 2022? Looking further out, the industry group expects 30-year mortgage rates to hit 3.7 at the start of 2022 and climb to 4.5 by the end of the year.
Of course, none of this is set in stone. As we have often said, the housing market and mortgage rate predictions are just an educated forecast of the analyst. The analyst examined current trends with the mortgage and the real estate industries, and analysts take into consideration the country's economy and the issue forecasts based on those conditions. It's an imperfect science, so we shouldn't take it as gospel, but use it as a gauge in what would be expected down the road.
So the takeaway here is, if you're in the market for a home and you're waiting for a return to the glory days of 2.65% mortgage rates, you might want to rethink your strategy. It seems highly unlikely interest rates will ever drop to that level ever again or soon. Knowing this information will help you plan ahead.
Again, I'm Dale Mancini.
And I'm Marilyn Dale.
Realtors located in Pittsburgh north suburbs. We would love to help you with your real estate needs. Please feel free to reach out to us by phone call, texting, or leaving a comment below. We'd love hearing from you, and let us know what you think of our videos. Also, watch our video on how to win a real estate bidding war, and please hit the subscribe button below.
Thank you for watching.